Here's how to fix GTA 5 out of game memory error. First, download Heap Adjuster and Pack File Limit Adjuster from the links in the description. After that, extract them. Now, open the extracted folders, copy the ASI and INI files, and paste them into your main GTA 5 directory. Keep in mind that these files are intended for single-player modding, not GTA Online. For GTA Online, remove every mod from your game folder. Then, open Steam, right-click GTA 5, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Finally, search for Adjust and open Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. After that, go to Advanced Settings, select Change, uncheck this box, then select Custom Size. Here, put 1024, and here put 1024 multiplied by whatever RAM you have. Then, apply the settings and restart your PC. That's all for this video. Thanks.